Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to apply the Olixar Tempered Glass Screen Protector to the Huawei Psmart 2019. To make sure you get the perfect installation, you'll need to prepare your phone screen. To start off with, take the cleaning wipe and give the display a thorough wipe down. This will lift any dirt that may be stuck on the screen. Next, use the microfiber cloth to dry the screen. This will also take away any remaining dust and dirt. Finally, use the dust removal stickers to dab like so. This will pick up any fine pieces of dust or lint that may have fallen onto the screen. At this point, you'll be ready to install the screen protector. Carefully peel back the protective backing from the protector, taking care not to touch the adhesive side with your fingers. Using the top of the Psmart as a starting point, begin to lower the protector down to the phone, ensuring to match it up the best you can. Once you think it's aligned properly, let go of the protector, allowing it to apply to the phone. Once you're happy with the application, give the screen one final wipe down, finishing the installation. Immediately, I could tell I was getting high quality protection with the screen protector. Once on, I could barely notice it was there. It doesn't get in the way of using the phone, and I found the screen to be very touch responsive. The installation was very straightforward and I was good to go in a couple of moments. This is fantastic as you can truly enjoy using your phone while keeping the screen protected at all times. I found typing and general navigation through the phone a breeze, which is perfect for playing games, browsing the web and even scrolling through social media. Overall, this is a solid option for the Psmart. It's practically invisible, giving you a screen with just as much clarity as before while providing protection when you need it the most. That's all we have for this video. I hope you found our installation guide and review useful. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this screen protector for your Psmart 2019, links will be in the description and comments of this video.